It's about that time. Rumors of the next generation of iPads, the iPhone 5S, and a low-cost iPhone are flooding the internet. The timeline isn't crystal clear, but tech site iMore reported sources close to Apple told them Apple will release the new iPad as early as April, the iPhone 5S around August, and the low-cost iPhone afterwards. It goes on to describe what we can expect from the iPhone 5S, the same basic design as the iPhone 5 with a more advanced processor and an improved camera. Rumors of the phone coming in multiple colors and even having a fingerprint sensor are also what many hope will come. While these changes all sound great, Read Write Mobile takes a more pessimistic view of the highly anticipated phone, stating what is more disappointing is that the iPhone 5S is said to be basically the same damn phone that the iPhone 5 is, just a little thinner with a better processor and better camera optics. Pretty harsh review, I'd say, but without the official word from Apple for a set release date, speculation continues. KGI analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who has a strong track record in predicting Apple hardware launches, said the release of the iPhone 5S could come as early as June, along with iOS 7. He mentions this release date will be earlier than last year's to avoid last year's mistake of delaying the iPhone 5 launch. The delayed launch was seen as a mistake because it allowed room for competitors to grab market share. When it comes to the iPad, some think an April release is too soon. CNET reports Apple is unlikely to release the iPad 5 so soon after the October release of the 4th generation model, and the iPad mini 2, which will reportedly sport a Retina display, isn't likely to hit the market while Apple is still enjoying healthy sales of the current version. The majority of rumors share one similarity. We could be enjoying newer iPads and iPhones by the end of the summer. But what about this low-cost iPhone that allegedly will be launched at $0 with a 2-year contract? Apple Insider breaks down Kuo's thoughts of what we can expect. It'll be slightly heavier than its aluminum-bodied counterpart, and we'll possibly see a hybrid casing made out of fiberglass and plastic. So Apple fans, fingers crossed that we'll see these new products sooner than later. For Newsy, I'm Candace Avilés.